Hello everyone, John Markey here, your Builder CPA, and here we are with next week's Kickstart plan. We're here in QuickBooks on the dashboard, and I'm going to be exporting the vendor list. So head over to expenses on the left and move down to vendors. And here is your vendor list, and we want this to be pretty clean and reliable for you. So just click the export button over here. I've already done that. And then I'm going to do Control T to open up a new tab. And I'm going to navigate to sheets.new for a new Google Sheet. And then on my other screen, I have my Excel file open, and I'm just going to select all of it, all of the cells. And then I'm going to paste into this Google Sheet. And if any of your cells come in where maybe they have like pound symbol errors or something like that because the text was too long in Excel, in your Excel file, you can simply double click the column and it will expand to what you need. And similar to what we did for accounts payable, we're going to highlight a column over to the right in our favorite color. And I'm even going to label it. I'm going to say John Comments. You can use your name. And then I'm just going to tell you the status of some of these vendors. So for example, maybe one of them is a duplicate. Unlike accounts payable, I don't anticipate you having comments on every single row because you probably have a lot of vendors. Most people have hundreds of vendors. So feel free to skip ones that don't need any adjustment, or like these here. We would like the address, city, state, we would like those to be updated if possible. If you do add any address, just highlight them in yellow and say address added, please update, and we can get that taken care of for you. The other thing is, in this attachments column where all of these say 0, ideally we would want many of them to say 1, and the attachment that we want to be there is the W-9. So at the end of the year, we prefer to use QuickBooks to prepare 1099s. So we click this button up here and it automatically calculates all of the eligible payments that you made to any of your vendors that might trigger a 1099. And we prefer to click into the vendor profile, go to edit, and we like the W-9s to be added right here. And we like the tax ID to be stored in its field. So at the end of the year, we are good to go with generating and sending our 1099s. So back over on my spreadsheet, per usual, I like the spreadsheet to be named. It looks like I've lost. Here we go. So you can say vendor list for your company. It is really nice when you identify it for you, just so that we don't get your file mixed up with anyone else. And then you can navigate over to the share button here, and you can share it directly with my email, which is jmarkee@mybuildercpa.com. Once again, that is jmarkee@mybuildercpa.com. And one thing I forgot to mention in the last video, if you feel like it would be beneficial to do a video introduction to any of these files, we highly suggest using Loom Video. You can create your video right in the app and share it with us that way. So thanks for helping us get your vendor list cleaned up, and I look forward to our next meeting. Have a great day.